welcome to another edition of Model Car Memories. It's going to be the last one I do this year. Get this done before Christmas. I've picked out a 1958 Pontiac. This looks like it came from one of the 3-in-1 customizing kits. It's got a lot on here. Took me a while to identify because the part that goes right here looks like my stepdad shaved that off. As part of the customizing kit. So it's a very simple kit. It is a AMT kit because you can see it right here molded in. Copyright AMT, Birmingham, Michigan. Got 4 screws that hold it in place. So go ahead and start with the dusting off here. This one was, I think, one of the more dustier models. I think it sat on the very top of the box that it was in when I rescued them all. It does look like it was hand painted, so no spray can. Painted this one here. Get that off, and it's got, I'm going to try to be real careful with it when I clean with the cotton swabs, because I don't want to take these decals off, anything like that. So let me get this taken apart and then clean up some more, and I'll get back to you when it's all apart and cleaned. Okay, everybody, I've got it taken apart and cleaned up. I did notice there's a couple previous repairs. You got something there, and on here, this tire right here had snapped out of where it is. I had to just snap it back in. It looks like it can come out fairly easy there, but I noticed those two things. So this one has been repaired in the past. On the inside, the interior had been glued in, so I didn't try to pop that out, and all I did was use the cotton swab and just stick in there to get everything clean on the inside. I did notice it looked like there was 2 holes here and here, possibly for the fender mount side view mirror, and those look like they've been filled in. Also, some stuff on the back looks like it had been filled in, or might have had an aerial right there that popped off. Sort of looks like that. There's also 2 little pinholes. Let's see if I can point them out to you. There's one right here. There's one right there. They don't go all the way through. They're just kind of there. And then something right in the middle here. Don't know if it was tried to put a CB antenna or something like that. And it could have been he did some work on this after he fixed it up, after he made it. It is it's a 58, so the earliest my stepdad could have put this together was possibly when he was 14 years old. So he's got the louvers on the front, on the side. I don't think the chassis only came with one place to put the wheel, so there wasn't an option to lower it there. So I'm going to put this back together here. Fits in pretty good. It's not everything. It's a pretty good clearance on here. You don't have to snap it in or put it at a weird angle or anything like that. So I did have to lift up on it as I was undoing the screws, where one of them, it's just, they unscrew a little bit, but not all the way. So let me tighten this up here. And of course, with the red exhaust system, I wish I could ask him why he did that, but he might have told me in the past, but I don't remember. It was just a thing he did. Of course, thinking about it, it might have been a way to show off the exhaust system compared to the frame. If you paint everything black underneath, you don't know what's there. So you got the Steelies, or the moon disc in the front, and then Steelies in the back here. The wheels are a little crooked, so it rubs up against the back one there. So, but it's pretty tight in there. I'm not gonna do it. So there you have it. 58 Pontiac. Just a quick quick cleanup here on that. There really wasn't anything to repair on it that I could get to. The inside, it didn't have any gear shifts in there or anything like that. It needed to be glued back in. Custom job, so there's no side view mirrors, anything like that. So thank you for watching. Said make sure you check out the Instagram. I'll do some close-up photos there on the Instagram page, Model Car Memories, and look for me first of next year. Thanks.